Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem when you want to install Call of Duty Mobile, but you can't seem to find it on your REALME 9. So in order to do that, let's open our Google Play Store and from here try searching for a Call of Duty. As you can see, there is no proper game, and now in order to fix that, let's go back, click on our profile picture, from here click on the settings, family and parental controls. Now in order to fix this, we can actually do it two ways. First one, disable parental controls entirely, enter the PIN code and press OK. Next fix is to go for apps and games, enter the PIN code again and increase that to PEGI 16. Press save, go back, search for Call of Duty, and it's right here, we can install it. And that's it for this video, hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.